Hi guys, my name is Shanjit and today I'm going to talk about Bombay Shaving Company's premium gift kit offerings. Bombay Shaving Company has been creating really nice gifting kits and occasion this time is Father's Day, which is on 20th of June. And this day we actually kind of commemorate and celebrate our dads who have done so much for us, the sacrifices that they've made, the life lessons that we have learned from them. And this is just one of the 7 really great Bombay Shaving Company has on offer. And today we're going to talk about one of them, which is the premium shaving gift kit. It's a 6-part precision shaving system, and I'm going to start off with the box itself. It looks gorgeous. It's glossy. It has the Bombay Shaving Company logo. We have a little icon for all the things that are actually inside this box. It also says shaving is awesome on this side of it. And without any further ado, let's get into the box. The first thing that you guys will see, wow, just look at that razor and the towel. It's such a brilliant early packed box. I'm going to start off with the razor first. This razor is called the Precision Safety Razor. It has Japanese engineered blades that you can kind of put in this. It's very easy. You just unscrew this, take this off, put the blade in the middle, put it back on, and just screw it back. So you also get 10 feather stainless steel blades with this razor, which is right here below the towel. So you can see that these are feather stainless blades which are made in Japan. And you also have an aggressive clamp which kind of helps you, deal with coarse and really hard beards. So a lot of people have really hard beards and they don't have the right kind of tools. So we gave an aggressive clamp that you can use while you're shaving. On to the rest of the things. So after you see this, I've put the razor aside. Just look at that. Wow. First thing that we have is the pre-shave scrub, which is enriched with black sand and walnut shell, which helps you kind of exfoliate all the dirt off your skin and all the impurities so that you're prepared for a really nice shave. Second thing that we have, the tea tree oil and aloe vera enriched shaving cream, which has a really thick lather and it's very soothing. It kind of calms down your skin and makes it easier for the razor to kind of glide through, and very short strokes are needed after you use the shaving cream. And when you're done, you can use this Post Shave Balm, which is enriched with witch hazel. It has 0% alcohol and no dryness. Not like other aftershaves that you have used which kind of remain and it's a little sticky. There's nothing like that. It kind of helps you repair your skin and any redness or any kind of cuts if you accidentally just get something. It will make sure that it is completely healed. We also have a really nice Imitation Badger shaving brush, and it is a really nicely packed. I'll just open it and show you guys. Just look at that. Right? Wow. So this kit has every single thing that your father needs for the perfect shave every morning. And I think this kit will definitely make your dad shine. It'll make him smile. And the best part about this razor is the fact that you can engrave it with your father's name. So it just makes it that more special. And this Father's Day, we just want to make sure that you have the right kind of gift to make your father feel special. So without any kind of hesitation, just go to our website, which is www.bombayshavingcompany.com, and get your kit now. Thank you so much for being part of this unboxing, and I hope you guys loved it and get it for your father as well. Thank you.